WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty like confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting like contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't like getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just like this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did like SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm like being super sarcastic and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need like a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be like, so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's like as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. 'Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart. I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be able to tell you if I'm smart. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit? Hey everybody. Off to a good start. Hey. I'm back. I've been gone for pretty much more than a week now, huh? It was alright. You know, I missed some routine. And got COVID on Friday. That was great. I mentioned that in the post. And you know, I'm doing alright. Not better, not worse. In a weird in between where like you get, you know, tired randomly and snotty randomly. I'm still like voice wise it might come in and out, but yeah, no, I'm alright. Happy to be back. Woo! Hope you liked the new starting soon video. You know, I had some time during the vacation to do a little work and put that together. Could be optimized a bit. I definitely need a transition point, like a better transition, because right now the vertical camera I use for the shorts live feed, it has separate scenes, so like I have to click one then the other, so it's kind of weird. Whatever, I'll figure it out. That's none of your problems to deal with. That's mine. Yeah, well, hopefully we can start getting a good groove going, getting people back in here. It's been, you know, a little while. I know viewership can go down when you're, you know, on vacation. But I did see a comment from one of my bros, Seashell Studios, on YouTube the other day, so I also noticed he was streaming again, which is fantastic. Hopefully I can hit one of those up. Yeah, he was before streaming about the time I was, so if he pops on, maybe I can raid him again. But yeah, I could not help myself, but I did do a little something on the game. Just like today or this morning. I don't remember, did it last night. I don't remember. But You know, we left off last time doing talking, right? Who was it? Yeah, Game Doodle. He told me about like JavaScript based audio frequencies, and like it clicked in my head. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do like dynamic talking, you know, change the frequencies based off of the word length and give it some sort of quirky talking mechanics. And that's what I did. And if you see here, we'll go to the stage site, which by the way, my stage site went down. Apparently I wasn't spending any time on it, and Flywheel like puts it in like hibernation mode or something. Thought that was kind of funny. So let's start over and let's see what I left off with as far as talking, and then I'll show you what I changed a little bit. So if we go and talk to the boss, you'll hear the talking. You see? It's kind of like a soft boop 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 melodic-y sort of frequency. Let's see, I think I have some more talking scenes that are better. Boop boop. Boop 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 boop. And yeah, I like it. Boop. Alrighty. And yeah, I also made the space between talking it's like she's running at you. Different based off of how long the sentence is, to give you more time to read it basically. But I don't know, I might not need to do that anymore. I might just do the same timeout, because I mean you're probably reading it as it's being written out now. See, look, that's just too long, I think. And I gave it a minimum of 2 seconds, so like it wasn't too quick on the short ones, but I think the long ones are just, I don't know, they're just too long. So maybe I'll just make them all like 3 seconds or something. I don't know. Oh, maybe I'll just put a max. Like I did the minimum, you know, if it gets too long, then I'll put a max of 3 seconds. That sounds right. That way it can still be longer, but not like annoyingly long. Anyways, that's the old talking. And you see the volume is nice, it's even. But what I changed was I added distortion. So I figured out a way to, using this Create Wave Shaper, to add distortion to the tone. And it sounds pretty cool. Honestly, it sounds like 8-bit music now. You saw that was kind of like doop boop boop boop, like when you're getting your hearing tested or whatever. But now you can hear it. It's a little loud. Let's go. You see? Now it sounds just like 8-bit. It's crazy. And I think I like it better. You know, because it's a pixel game. I think I like the 8-bit music sound better than the original tone. The only thing I want to do now is change the volume. So you'll see here inside of the play frequency, I added this make distortion curve. Now I don't know how these all interconnect, because I kind of had to overtake what the volume one was doing, which is this gain node. So like gain node. So how do I do source connect for gain node? Oh, maybe you can do both. Maybe you don't have to do one. Maybe. I don't know. I've never done this before. And, hey! Doesn't the distortion like automatically make it 8-bit style? Welcome, Game Doodle. Welcome back, man. Yeah, sorry, it's been a while. Back from vacay, fresh with COVID. Woo! And I got your email that you're making some progress on your own noise stuff. I'd love to see that in action. Alright, let's see if this made it quieter or if I just broke the code. Because I don't know if you can connect two different things. Definitely didn't make it quieter. Yeah, alright. Oh god. Yeah. The vacay was alright. You know, the family's the one that brought the COVID. Node gain value? Was that it? You mean I can just... Oh, node gain value. Gain value. Gain node. Create gain. Yeah, so I'm doing that. So do I just do it again? Yeah, because I'm already... Oh, do I do it for maybe distortion? Gain value? Can you do it for the distortion? Or no? Doesn't look like it. Or maybe... Yeah, because this is just giving me the S curve. And then I got the oversample amount. And then I'm connecting the destination the same way I was doing here for gain node. Or do I do it for the source? Oh, maybe I do it for the source. Well, then what's the point of this? Huh. Maybe. No. It doesn't like that. Do it for the context that is using the create gain. Well, I am doing that. But they're two different things. Distortion and gain are two different things, but it's using the same shit. Like if I move this function out of the way. if I put this function up here. So like I got the gain node. So this is controlling the gain because I had to create gain from the audio context. You see? And then I do gain node equals gain, I value that. So that's controlling the volume. And then I do a distortion, create wave shaper function. And then, hey Deck Dude, over you on YouTube and on Twitch. What's going on, man? Welcome, my friend. Trying to nail down some new distortion additions I made. So, yeah, because I have this is also changing audio. See, I assumed because I was changing the same audio context. My oscillator? I don't know. I kind of just stole this shit. This is the math behind it. But like, I have the audio context. You're finally healthy. Hell yeah, man. Been rocking out these few weeks. Fantastic. I got COVID on Friday. So I'm just dealing with that. Create oscillator. Do I need to do that? I was able to get the distortion without it. Using wave shaper, whatever the hell that is. And then I got the source, and then the source buffer. What? What game did you lose? And then we have oversample rate. I got the curve. And then I'm basically implementing the distortion using the audio context. And then I'm using source distortion connect. And then I'm starting it. But like, how do I make the source utilize the gain node as well? That's my problem. Distortion connect with gain node. See, that's what I thought too. Maybe. Yeah, I'm guessing that is as acting at the oscillator. The game, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're lucky. Awesome. Well, then I'll count myself lucky, my friend. Because I have no idea what you're talking about. I have been gone. But I hope it's not too bad for you. I'm sorry you lost. Let's see if gain node destination works. Oh, you don't think I need destination? Oh, because I already did audio context destination? Okay. Alright, let's see if that does something. Yeah, that was it. You're right. Hell yeah. Now it's not too loud. Oh yeah. I like it. I feel like I can do more. You getting back into streaming next week? Hell yeah. You haven't been streaming this week because I'm doing a... Oh yeah, the game jam.
Hell yeah. Did you submit your game? I don't know the timeline. You like the sound? I like it too. But I'm just like, now I want to make dynamic music with it now. Cuz it sounds like 8-bit music, you know? Like I want to make walking sound like that. You have 2 more days? Okay, cool. Sweet, Dak dude. What's the game about? Give me a summary. Is it your game that your dad and you're working on it? What's the game? Give me the gist. All right, let's hear it in the cutscene. It is good. I think I'm gonna live with it. I think I like it. I'm gonna live with that. But I need to put a max on the set timeout. Oh, no. Was it set timeout or interval? Or set timeout. Typewriter. You have to mix different elements before your shadow mixes them. Interesting. You have to mix elements before your shadow mixes them. So it's like time-based. Yeah, where did I put that goddamn... So engage cutscene. Where's the set? Before, move dialogue. No, that's move dialogue. Where's the... By the way, I have, so you know how I fixed movement in my game, right? No, how'd you fix it? Yeah, no, I was wondering about that. By the way, COVID, fog, brain fog, it's gonna be real, so excuse me for not understanding half the things I'm doing today. I'm just like really trying. Yeah, how'd you fix that? I want to know. Where's the set timeout? Oh wait, next dialogue. Where am I using that? Next. Here we go. So I did, if it's less than 40, then make it 2000. I also have to do if it's greater than, I don't know, greater than, maybe. These are letters, these are characters, so. Yeah, text length. You looked at the Game Maker manual and found a new command. That isn't the instance create layer. Nice. Instead it just teleports the player. There you go. Yeah, I knew there had to be like a movement function. I thought creating a new layer every time was kind of weird. But, you know, I don't understand the game engine, so could have been anything. Okay, so 2000 max. I guess I could just bust it in here. Oh no. So like is greater than let's say if 40 is on the small end, then we'll say like 200 on the long end. Or is that too much? Let's do 100. If it's greater than 100, then we'll do 3000. Otherwise, that. Yes, I did just nest the shorthands. Because I can. Oh, you thought it had something to do with the movement, so you're focusing on the movement. Oh, okay. Ah, so you got the collision events. Let's make sure I didn't break anything. Nope, seems good. Oh, it's empty. Ah. Got it. Makes sense. So, it does seem like when you manually go through the words, it kind of screws it up. So I think I need to make sure that when I click the button, that the set timeout doesn't, it needs to get reset. Yeah. Yeah, so I need to like clear this. Dialogue. Log. What is it? Timeout. Cool. So if you click, maybe I'll put it in the next dialogue, right? That kind of makes sense. So we'll just do a clear interval. No. Oh no. I keep doing that. That's not how do you stop a timeout? The collisions weren't working because there was no collision code. That makes sense. Oh, clear timeout. You can't clear a timeout. Why did I think you couldn't clear a timeout? I think I remember like trying to do that another time and I was like, oh, you can't clear a timeout. Dialogue. What did I call it? Dialogue. Oh. There we go. Clear timeout in case manually triggered. Now is that what I do? Do I use next dialogue to trigger? I do. Okay, cool. Ignore the deprecated key code. Now you're trying to draw the experience stat on the screen. You got it to draw text, but you can't get it to draw variables. Huh. Interesting. That was very interesting. I was on another game dev stream the other day, and they worked in Godot. Was it Godot? Not Game Maker. Yeah, it was Godot. Yeah, and they were talking about, yeah, because I was asking him, like, is it easier working in a game engine? And they said, you know, once you learn the game engine, I guess, it definitely has a lot more to offer as far as, like, stuff that already exists. That you don't have to rebuild, obviously. But yeah, still having to learn all that's pretty rough. Yeah, and They said Game Maker Studio is actually, I guess, good if you want to use JavaScript. Because you can run it through a browser and do web-based games, and then you have access to JavaScript. Okay, that worked. See, now when I clicked it, it didn't time out on the next one. Well, it still kind of screwed it up. You know, it's all fucked up. Does Dak have a stream? You also need your Discord. Does my Discord link not work anymore? Let me see. It tends to stop working after a while. No, it works. Yeah, you just go to orbemortar.com. Click on the join the Discord link. Right here. And yeah, Dak Dude does stream. But you just do your streams on Discord, right, Dak Dude? Or do you do Twitch too? Yeah, only your Discord. There you go. Threw that in there for you, Game Doodle. Yeah. Boop. Oh, I gotta close these. There we go. Much better. Yeah, I threw it in. Can you not see my message that I put in the chat, Game Doodle? Yeah, I just put it in the YouTube chat. Can you not see my messages? Maybe go to live chat. Are you on the top chat maybe by accident? What? You can't see my message in YouTube. That's weird. Live chat, like you can think switch between top chat and live chat. Like go to the top of the chat bar and switch it to live chat instead of top chat. Maybe. I don't know, let me try putting it again. Bop. You're in the live chat? Weird. Maybe my messages aren't coming up. Let me try it from here. Here. How do I go here? Yeah, weird. It doesn't look like it's showing up. I think you're right. You can post an invite to anyone on YouTube who wants to join. Uh-oh. How about this one? I'm seeing that one on my other one. There we go. Weird. It's like I blocked my other account or something. That's really weird. Yeah, but jump in there. I got a few, you know, got like game dev, author stuff, music stuff. WordPress stuff. Only a few people, but they are solid folks. And you can talk to Dak Dude in there too. Okay. Now we got that talking, timing, good to go. What I wanted to do was change the talking of the default. This whole 2 people at the same time is not what I want. I was also watching a different stream where they were doing like the talking dialogue screens, and it was like 1 person at a time, and it made more sense to me because if like multiple people, like it's not just 2 people talking, then it'd be dumb to have just 2 people on screen at the same time, and it's harder to like differentiate who's talking. So that being said, that's going to change the way cutscenes look. So let's go to cutscenes. You need to head out. Believe you have permission to invite people to my Discord if you want to. If you want to join, blah, blah, blah. Okay, sweet, Dak Dude. Yeah. Sounds good, man. I will make sure to invite if I can do that. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next one. So, let's go here. Here's map cutscenes. So, right now, the way I'm handling it is I basically put the image of me. It's just kind of like hard-coded in there. And then I put the character, which is coming from the cutscene itself. So I'm gonna have to change the way I do that. Instead, I'm gonna have to kind of follow the whole cutscene logic that I did for the whole cutscene itself. Which is, let's double check. So like for the Bylon meetup, I put the characters here. And I think that's what I want to do as well. So every character here needs to have an image associated with it. See ya, Dak Dude. So like in this case, oh.
Zero's Chack stuff just followed.
Zero. Man, I can't read my own shit. Hack stuff. Well, I'm not going to be on Friday or Saturday. Ah, okay, man. No sweat. But you'll be here Tuesday. 0xjr. What's up, Aeroxjr? 0xjr. How you doing? Welcome. Come watch the WordPress game engine. Ask me questions. Video game WordPress is sick. Hell yeah, man. And it's only getting better. I mean, now that I can completely do missions, open up new missions through doorways, and like click and drag items to complete missions. I mean, we got ourselves a video game, my friend. And this is definitely gonna open up another mission. Yep. So now we're working on cutscenes. You made one WordPress plugin, but it wasn't much. You can learn more about it though. Yeah. Well, you came to the right place. I've been doing WordPress development for about 16 years or so. Used to work for Disney, Universal, Warner Brothers, Built websites for, you know, Intel, Beach Bodies, investors.com. Yeah. You were one? Yeah, that makes sense. I tend to get some youngins. Actually, Dak dude who just left, if he hasn't left 100% yet, he just turned 14. So, you know, I'm used to it. Dak dude wasn't around when I started working in WordPress. You need to get in contact with him. Yeah, man, he's a game dev too. He's been building some stuff in Game Maker Studio. Does Orbem have an option screen like for music sound volume? Yeah, it's this little cog in the top right. You see? So I can turn up sound effects and turn it down. You can save the settings. This is where you leave the game too. 14 years experience or 14? Oh, I'm sorry. No, he's 14 years old. My bad. I might have misspoke. Does it work with talking? No, I have not affixed. I think I'm gonna add a separate bar for the talking, because I could definitely do that. I can tie it to the gain node. Yeah, no. Dak dude's only 14 years old. 14 years old. Oh, okay. That's crazy. Can't find anyone around my age that's not 16 plus. Oh, okay. Yeah, dude, I'm super impressed with Dak dude too, because he I jumped on his stream the other day on Discord, and he was, you know, building a dungeon in Minecraft, and yeah, and he was also working in Game Maker Studio. He's trying to make like a Subway Surfer type game. Yeah, nah, it's super cool. Yeah, if you jump on my Discord, he is on there as well. Go ahead and join that. Yeah, and he streams only on Discord, so probably can do that. Yeah, you're right though. Game Doodle, I need to connect it to a new volume bar. I think I'm gonna do a separate one though, because sound effects is like walking, and I'm guessing I'm gonna do it to like punching and breaking stuff. Like if I mute this, you can kind of hear it. Like there's music. Here's sound effects. You hear the subtle scuffling of my feet. That's the only sound effect right now. I don't even think it works for the like completing missions. Let's see. It might. Oh no, I think I got rid of that mission. Oh, it does work for that. Okay, so sound effect also affects the sound effect when you collect something or get points. Does it? Does it sound like Roblox? Yeah, I just have it like this weird scuffling MP3 file that I'm looping, and I kind of just start and stop it. And this is just a looped song I made in GarageBand. Very fun. Yeah, let's do talking as a new one. You made some stuff in FL Studio, but music isn't the main thing. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, I just use GarageBand because I use a MacBook Pro, so came with it free. That's what I use for all my recording too. All the music you hear in the background is either from my old bands or stuff I recorded, inspired by Orbem, which is my novel series that the game's based off of as well. Whole lot of stuff here. So like if I go to settings and I add a new thing for dialogue, talking, I guess talking, and then we change this to talking. I'll do talking volume. Wait, am I not doing a... Oh, okay, yeah, setting is an array. Wait, how is it an array? Settings. Oh, explore settings. Nice. Alright. Perfect. We'll default it to 5. Okay, well now the music's annoying me. Yeah, and if you check out my YouTube, I stream recording. I did a recording session the other day, the new Crooktooth song. It's another band I sing on. And I do like editing on stream, and I record in my studio. And so yeah, if you like music, it's always an interesting thing to watch. And this is the YouTube. Pretty obvious. Okay, cool. Well, now that we have that in the settings, where am I gonna put it? I know I put settings over here. If I can find it. Yes. Okay, cool. And settings. I need to go to the save settings. Here we go. Oh, I need to add a new one. Boop. This is a REST endpoint. I must register a new one. Or at least a new data point. Here we go. Talk. Ing. And let's go ahead and do this. Copy all this junk. And yes, we definitely want all of these. All right. Oh, that's how I do it. Yeah, I save it. Cool. All I have to do now is actually utilize the value somewhere. Oh yeah, how am I doing that? Oh, I guess I'm just looking at the value in the setting bar. That makes sense. Okay. Settings. So now this is settings. Oh, settings and storage. Cool. But where do I control? Oh, here we go. We need a new one for talking. Alright. Yeah, looks like we're doing the same junk for all these. Why am I doing it with a window value? What am I doing? Sometimes I don't remember what I'm doing. Oh shit, there's 5. Why am I changing sound effects for... Oh. Oh, because it changes multiple things, that's why. Correct. Walking and interest sound, okay. There's a lot you don't know about web stuff, I guess. Didn't know WordPress could use JS and haven't heard of Sass. Yeah, Sass is just CSS, uncompiled. So, it's just, if you're Less and Sass, they're like nesting CSS. So you see when it outputs here in the dist file, it's a CSS file. It's just styling. But yeah. Yeah, JavaScript's used on the front end. Because all WordPress is, it's a PHP based framework, and It just takes HTML, you know, it renders HTML on the front end, and then you use JavaScript to do interactions and stuff like that. So I'm using JavaScript to listen to events on the keyboard, you know, or of the click. Like I made transportation by clicking on, doing a click event when you hold the shift button. Now I can like move him anywhere I want. And it's all very web dev based. I mean, you pretty much are just, you're pretty much just changing styles, right? I mean, you can see here his top and left position. That's just CSS styling. But I'm changing it with JavaScript. You see how he's going left? It's getting smaller. Going right, it's getting bigger. I'm just pushing and pulling his position. And I'm just using a lot of JavaScript, you know, functionalities, like to make it scroll with him. I'm literally scrolling the screen like you scroll a web page. I'm using scroll too. So I basically have mimicked the functionalities of an RPG video game using web design based, you know, functionality. It's just because I've been doing it for so long. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front end and PHP for the back end. Yep. Yeah, and PHP is, you know, it's my templates. So like this is classes. This is all PHP for server side logic. And then like these are PHP files are all HTML, like templates. It's like the view logic. And then I have like sub files for, you know, components. But then yeah, most of it's just yeah, all the logic I do, all the interactions on the front end, or it's all just JavaScript. It's all vanilla JavaScript too. So you don't have to learn anything special. And I'm telling you, if you want to get into web dev at all, just learn vanilla JavaScript. I mean, people will tell you, you know, start in React. Everyone's using React. It's true, everyone is using React. You know, even like Next.js and TypeScript, they're all kind of React-ish. Alert. Nice. XSS stuff. Yeah, we got away from that kind of stuff. Now you can just use fetch. But yeah, it's good. It's a good thing to get into because everything's vanilla JavaScript. I can use this language in all JavaScript frameworks. CoffeeScript, React, TypeScript, you know, Next.js, Node.js, like anything JavaScript based, you can use vanilla JavaScript in it. Sometimes they're a little different. Like there's different syntax for CoffeeScript, like you don't add parentheses or semicolons, that kind of stuff, but it's all the same shit. It's all available because the browser, JavaScript's available, vanilla JavaScript is available natively. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was saving settings. You thought the TypeScript was the plain text syntax? You can type sentences like move, character, and then place sound. No. TypeScript is about typecasting. That's why it's called TypeScript. It's really strict. So like if you go into my PHP functions here, and you see how it says object inside of the function. So this is saying that the file, the variable type that's getting inputted into this function is going to be an object. I am casting the type for this. So it has to be an object, otherwise it fails. That's TypeScript. Same logic. It's not PHP, it's JavaScript, but you have to cast everything. You have to say everything that it's going to be. All the outputs, all the inputs. And it's a lot more strict. The way TypeScript, and you know, it's got its own fun things you have to deal with, but that's like the basics of why people really like TypeScript. It's because it's super bug free almost, because you can't do it wrong. Yeah. But if you're looking for something where you like write words, that's CoffeeScript. That's like, you know, the if statements are like, if, you know, return is this, then, you know, do this. Like that's CoffeeScript, where you have to actually write it out. I'm sure there's other frameworks, I mean languages like that too, but that one's kind of funny. And there's no, it's all about indenting. There's no brackets or anything. It's fucking, yeah, it's hard to switch the mindset into CoffeeScript, that's for sure. DuckyScript is like that. Yeah, I think a few of them try to be more like natural language based. So, oh yeah, I was trying to figure out where I was using all these. So I don't think I need to do that in this case. Yeah, so let's just do a straight up these, a listener for it. So it's talking settings, current. Wait, how do I get the current? Where am I setting the current? Where the hell am I setting this current? Oh, it's probably on load of the site, huh? Current dot volume. What the hell? What am I doing? I do not remember how I did that. Current volume. Current volume. Oh, is it because I just... Oh, wait. Why am I screwing myself up? Is it because I just typed that out that way? Okay, talking settings. I guess we'll just do... I feel like I don't need to do any of this. Yeah, I just need to... Oh, that's right, that's right. I have to set this globally and then use that value. Got it. Okay, okay, okay. All right. This is COVID brain, man. I am foggy. Okay, talking. Volume. Yeah, I think I'm using like current music, something else, like the value or something somewhere else. Okay. Yes. So now let's go over to the talking, what was it called? Node. Something node. Gain node. This. And let's control this. Maybe I don't have to go by... Oh wait, they're also... No, it's a range. So I don't think I don't need to care about that. So actually, I don't think I need to go by talking volume. Since this is already decimal based, I don't think I need to divide it by 100. Sweet. Let's see if this works. I am interested now. So this should just, nope, wrong menu. This should just work right off the bat. So let's go loud. Come back. Oh god. Well, it worked. it goes 0.5 based. Yeah, I don't like the value that's coming out though. I think it's stepping too far. Because it had to get to like 1 for it to be bearable. Which makes sense because I had it at 0.1. So let's... How do I make this smaller? Times... Let's make the value even smaller. Wait, is that why I have it divided by 100? No. Oh, maybe that is why I have it divided by 100. Math pie? You know, Game Doodle, don't math me right now. What with all this math talk? Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. Math pie. Right. Yeah, but what am I trying to achieve out of this? Yeah, wait, what? I need to, like, see what the value is real quick. Yeah, the volume works right off the bat. Now I just need to make sure I'm saving the value. And then it should control it. I just need to know what the value I'm getting is so I can make sure it's the right decimal value. Because I'm guessing it needs to be like 0.01 is the low, you know, at the end, and then it goes to 0.02, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 0.1 is the loudest. I think that's how I want to do it. Because I definitely don't think people want it at full volume ever. But, oh yeah. Alright. Let's see what we got. Yeah, see, these are just whole numbers. No wonder it was getting loud. Oh god. I got hit. Okay. Yeah, in that case, divided by 10. I need to go 1 decimal over. No. 2. 2 decimals over. Divided by 100. Wait, why is that not working? It must have to... Maybe it's your math that you're talking about. Now, see, that's perfect. Yeah, that's what I want. Does it not like that value? Because I was passing 0.1 to it. Maybe it doesn't like 0.01. Oh, weird. It doesn't... No, it's kind of working. Huh. Maybe I need to buy 1,000. Yeah, let's try by 1,000. Oh, I'm stupid. It was right here, but it wasn't right here. Let's try that again. It didn't like the value last time I did that though, so there must be a reason. Oh. Yeah, it's perfect. Why didn't that work before? I guess I want it to be a little louder. Yeah, that worked perfect. That's weird. Maybe it just wasn't rendered. So let's go 90. Math. Let's see if 90 works better. So I want to go full volume on 90. That's pretty good. Smooth. Cool. I think we got it. Now let's see that it saves. Stop pushing me, bro. Oh, it did not. Because I forgot to pass the value to the new the new thing. Hold on. Where is it? The save settings. Here we go. Yes, I forgot. I need to pass. Talking settings dot value. Talking settings. Okay. Then we'll go here, and we gotta pass it here. Talking. Yeah, right. Okay, that should work now. Let's do it. Let's save a setting, why don't we? Alright, let's go up. Let's clear the network and see what happens. Bingo! 200. Cool, so now if I refresh, the setting should be saved. We're good, man. Good call, Game Doodle. Now we have more settings. Whee! I could see people being annoyed by the talking. It's very possible. Yeah, no, that is solid. That's a good change. Nice. No, thank you. Yeah, sick. Okay, what was I changing before that? Oh, yeah. Gonna make it one person. Oh, yeah. So now I need... The problem is I need to assign images to this taxonomy, which they don't inherently have images. Let's see. Oh, well, I do have description. That's not a bad idea. So, like, if I put... I guess I should... Whatever. Let's do... Yeah, whatever. Let's do Iona. So that'll be the description. So if I get the description... Not magic. Cutscene HTML. So we've got characters. So instead of using this, I should no longer use this. This might be a good thing to use for my own picture. Like, depending on where the cutscene is, I could change his outfit per cutscene. That might be a good idea. I'm gonna keep that in my back pocket. But I need to know the characters, which I get the terms. Oh yeah, here we go. Character point. No. Yes. 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 I still only get the terms. Yes. Right. So these are all the characters. Wait, why do I care about the characters? Where is this being used? Oh. To get the cutscene name. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I'm using the character name. Otherwise use the area name. Right. So in this case, cutscene. Huh. You know what I've noticed is that my shorts, YouTube Shorts live feed, like gets no randos coming in anymore. I used to get like 3 or 4 or 10. I wonder if the algorithm just kind of gave up on it. I don't get YouTube. Okay. Yeah, I got the cutscene, so we got the characters. And I'm just grabbing the first one here. But now what we need is to know every character that's selected. I need to get their images. This is different. Yeah, and these are cutscenes based off of the missions. We have the area information. Here is the character me, which I'll probably change to this. This if I don't have this. And then yeah. So now this shouldn't matter. I should want all the images. Woo. So I kind of just care if, you know. False equals empty. What was it? Cut char. Yeah, now I'm gonna basically get rid of that. And I'm going to do shit. Yes. Now I'm gonna run for each C shell motherfucking studio. It is good to see you, my friend. I was just talking about you earlier. I saw your comment. And I was like, oh, he lives. And I got notified about one of your streams too, and I'm like, oh man. I was on, you know, doing like vacation with family, unfortunately. But good to have you back, man. It is good. You've missed much progress with this game. A lot of very interesting random shit. Unless you've been watching my stream this whole time. I know you. You just be lurking. Oh. Unfortunately. Right. 100. Yeah, right now I'm remaking the way I do dialogue, like cutscene pop-ups. Yeah, vacation was good. It's just I got COVID on Friday from one of our visitors. So that's massive boner. I'm okay though. Always lurking. So and then we will bust one of these. Oops, what the fuck was that? Yeah, it does suck. This is a fact. Char. Yeah, no, it's alright. I've noticed a little bit of a delay across YouTube too. I don't know what the latency's about. I mean, shit. I've got 60 FPS. I'm doing massive bitrate. I'm doing ultra low latency mode. No, I don't know. Everybody's so far away from me. That's what it is. It's just the internet, you know? Trying to get to you guys so you can talk to me. Basically what I need... I don't even know how to get the term description. What does it even look like? Let's take a look. It looks like term meta? Is it term meta? Display order. Ugh. Ugh. Gross. Thumbnail ID. Wait. No, yeah, this must be just for WooCommerce. Let's up the limit to like 200. Go. Show me more. You're not showing me more. Okay. Term. Where would you get description? Okay. So these are... Yeah, all this has is the name slug. Yeah, it has to be in term meta. Which the value is 0 here. Wait, what? This is it? Oh, this is all the term meta. Where the fuck is description getting saved? Taxonomy? Oh, yeah. It's in taxonomy. No. This is... Oh, yeah, maybe. Weird. Let's see... Oh yeah, there it is. Right here. Huh. Okay. So I just use the term ID and grab description. Learn something every day. In that case, it would be like this. Oh shit, hold on. I want to keep the same format like this. Oh, you know what? I probably don't want to keep that. It seems like it has the entire image in it. So let's just do this. More like dish. Description, I guess. Seems right. If I spelled description right. Alright. Okay. See if that works. I'm interested. But this is only for who? Forno. So it's probably just sitting randomly on the elements now. Wait, what was it called? Cut character. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's mine. Oh, shit. Okay, so it's not outputting. False equals empty. And it's an array. Then loop. Oh, it's not. Okay. Let's do something about that. So for now. Oh yeah, see, I am choosing him. Well, what's the output then? We shall see. cutscene. Data is cutscene. Okay. For no GIF is the output. Wait, what? What the funk? Oh, did I not change the fucking logic? I did not. What am I doing? Oh, it's character, not cut car. God damn it. I'm dumb. I meant to do that. And to do that. And that. That's what I meant to do. There you go. Now let's see if the image is showing up randomly. Yep, now we got 2. And the second one has... Yay! The image. Perfecto. Let's see if it works. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So now I can define images to the taxonomy of the character, which is great because that gets used in multiple places. But the main point is I don't want to put a character on the right side there. I want it to be the main character who's talking. So I'll just put them in a row. I don't need to put, you know, the cutscene. Like I'll move the cutscene here. Like that'll be its own thing. And then these will live. Yeah, because this is living inside the cutscene. I guess I could just put the... Yeah, we'll just put it at the end. And then by default, these will be hidden. You know. Same for you, buddy. I guess I don't need to do that. I can just put it in the styling. So if I actually go to the styling... It was on the left and the right. I had my character on the left and the other character on the right. Yeah, I always like said in my head that the cutscenes were going to be just 2 people talking. You're interacting with somebody. But then I didn't think about it until I set up the like automated cutscenes like this here. Let's turn the talking up. So now I have multiple people talking. So like, I don't want to just have one person on each side anymore. I want it to be just one person talking, you know. Oh, sorry. My awesome ad. I know, I'm trying not to clutter up the screen. Also have a boring screen. Your middle graphic on stream, maybe blocking the other character. Oh, okay. Yeah. I forgot now that I look down. Hey, look, an image. Oh yeah, I also have to make that work client side. It's not set up for it yet. Yeah, the talking sound. Yeah, Game Doodle over on YouTube. He put me on to audio context, which is like JavaScript controllable frequencies. And so I tied it into, the dialogue, which is basically the frequency changes based off of the size of the word. It goes up and down based off of how many letters the word has. And then I added some distortion, so it sounds a lot more like pixel music, 8-bit music now. It's coming out pretty interesting. Intro to Final Fantasy. Yeah, I made that video. Yeah, I made I kept having, I had some people make some book book, whatever they're called, trailers. They're called book trailers. And I just was tired of paying people. So I was like, fuck it. There's a lot of awesome like browse functionality, like pre-made things in Premiere Pro. So I, you know, for like all sorts of little things, like the little name tags and like good in between things. Give them some wah. Gives them some wah. How do I give wah? I think that would be filter. Here we go. Filter. I don't even know what this does. Feed forward. There's so much shit you can do with these frequencies. I think it's like really sciencey if you really get into it. Just the science behind that shit. Yeah, like a wah, 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 wah. Dynamic compressor. Ooh, delay. Ooh, delay. I wonder if that would give it a little echo. It might destroy it. Or I think I'm thinking of like sound engineering delay. This might not be that kind of delay. Create a simple example that allows you to play 3 different samples on constant loop. What? Show me. Give me an example. I hate that they don't do that. Ooh, panning. I can make them talk in each of your headphones, left and right. That wouldn't be annoying. Especially if you're like me and only have one headphone in. How does this work? Let's see. Create delay. I wonder what it does. Now I'm interested. What do you do? Alright. Play frequency. What if I just throw some of this in there? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe it's just like delays the output. But the way it was reading out, it kind of seemed like it was for looping, so maybe it is an echo. Yeah, I always have one headphone in, so I definitely can't do panning. So if I do something like audio context, create delay, and this is delay node. And then I do what I did here. And I do delay node dot connect gain node. And then I do delay node. Your distortion is your frequency, right? So maybe you can add a sin or cosine variable that travels a path loop between the two frequencies to make a rising or falling frequency tone like a wah pedal. Those are words, Game Doodle. Those are all words. I know it. I know you're trying to tell me something. That's very math of you. Okay, let's. I'm more of the like throw shit in, see what happens kind of guy. And we're about to find out what the hell delay does right now. It breaks. That's what it does. Value property. What did I do? What did I do? I don't know what I did. Because I don't know what the fuck delay does. Huh. I guess it doesn't do what I thought it did. I'm trying. Yeah, I'm kind of just. It delays execution. No, I mean, I did something wrong. It doesn't like. Oh. It doesn't like my talking volume. What? Interesting. Oh, am I not setting this on load? Oh, so it might actually be working. Hold on. Volume. I have to set, yeah, I gotta set this on load. How am I doing that? I don't know. That's weird. I must be setting this on load somewhere else. FX volume. So I'm setting it when I walk. Infrasound. Okay, yeah, so I'm setting it here. So I thought this was... Yeah, this is on load. Oh. Oh, see, I'm setting it outside. Got it. I also have to do this outside. Adoi. Yeah, the music is different because it plays on load. Alright, this still might work. We shall find out. Go. Go. Damn it. What the hell? It's still not getting a value? But I'm setting it on load. Wait, did I not compile? Oh shit. Whoops. Talking settings. There we go. Try that. My bad. Again, COVID brain. I am not paying attention. Alright, now it's gonna work. I think I do hear a little bit of an echo. Did you catch that? It's like da-da-da-da. Let's try that again. Pretty sure I heard a little bit of an echo. Hold on, I'm gonna mute the music. Let's try that again. Oh god, what did I do? Yeah, you hear it's like dun dun. Like you hear it most when it's just one word. It's got like a little bit of an extra tone after it. Well, let's see. Let's turn it off and see if that is actually doing something. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like some extra notes. This is max delay time. I wonder what happens if you make it lower. Yeah, it just makes it faster. Okay. Well, that wasn't the delay I was thinking. I was thinking more of a like an echo. But cool, I guess. Good to know that that exists. You never know unless you try. Gain node. So I'm actually not interested in that. What else they got? Yeah, Game Doodle is talking about oscillators. What do they even do? Basically, audio concert oscillator node. For applied example information, check out Violent Theremin. Alright, Seashell. I'm gonna hit up one of your streams, man. I want to see that game. See some more dev on it. So, have a great night. I'm actually gonna cut out too. It's good to be back. And good to have you back. So, let's frickin' do it, man. Let's make $1 billion game. Collectively. That kissed me. Yeah, it did make. Yeah, I think the kiss me no bit works really well with the sounds. Doo doo boop. Yeah, the theremin was pretty good. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you both and everybody who's jumped on, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next stream tomorrow. I think I'll keep it going. But have a good night, day, evening, whatever time you're watching this. And I will catch you all in the next one. Game Doodle, your stuff is being delivered today. Tuesday. Whatever. Later today. And one thing's coming on Wednesday. So congrats again on winning. Woo, Game Doodle for the win. And yeah, catch you guys later. Peace.